Hi guys, this time I will cut directly to the point and tell you that this will be the character we will do for this course. What a surprise, right? But what you may not know is that the whole process is recorded in real time and with constant narration by me. So now you will probably ask, who are you? And you will be right to do so. My name is Nico and I'm a 3D character artist and tutor still working in the industry since 2007. I have more than 13,000 students with my courses of 3D character creation and anatomy. In this intermediate 3D character Blender course, we will go through the process of creating a slightly stylized female character with armor, 3D printed ready hair and a weapon. Pose her, make some materials and light, and render an image and a turntable video for your portfolio. There will be lots of female face and body anatomy tips and common mistakes too. This nice concept is an art of Mikhail Palamarchuk. We will begin by making two female heads where I will explain the proportions, forms, shapes, anatomy and most common beginner mistakes. We will then choose the best looking of the two heads and we will continue with making the base hair shape. Then we will start the torso and I will explain how the shapes work in the female body. Next, we will go through the creation of nice legs and arms for our Huntress and refining the whole body before starting the armor. We will use heavily Quad Remesher add-on for Blender in this course, which will help us make our armor pieces pretty quickly. We will extract, adjust, remesh, make thickness and all those things again and again until we have our armor with all its details ready. We will then refine the hair with some smartly placed curves and jump to material creation. Creating the metal material will not be an easy task, but we will definitely do a decent job. Then will be time to do the Demon Huntress weapon, the sword and the tentacles below it. Following, we'll be rigging the character with armature and you will see how easy it is. But then we will have some issues with the rig, which we will successfully overcome and head to the posing of our Huntress. After, will be time to do more adjustments to some elements of the pose and some materials and lights. I will show you how to render a still image and how to render a transparent video from Blender to use in After Effects. This course is for intermediate Blender users, but if you are a very ambitious beginner, you can try it as well. Although, I recommend first you try my Absolute Beginners 3D Character in Blender course and then get back to this one. I will use Quad Remesher a lot in this course, which is my only paid add-on I use in Blender. I use it in all my work and freelance. It has 1 month free trial, so you can do the course without any issues, and after that you can decide if the add-on is worth the money for yourself. So if making a nice looking female character in Blender with pose, sword and armor sounds like your thing, then you probably should check out this course. Shapes of the female body, very important. Important things, and you should be careful because this course will be very useful. I know this is dangerous to bump into such useful course, but you have to be careful. Yes, this kind of courses are rare, and when you find them, it's like a radioactive thing. It's rare, and when you find them, they can emit their radiation and they can teach you stuff without even you noticing. But you have to watch them. And also, not only watch them, but you have to also practice, which is very important. But whatever, it's not a problem. Let's go. Let's do this.